Humidity causes mold, and a lot of states are pretty humid during summer. So let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Deye A10 Dehumidifier. A lot of the southern states get really humid and gross during summertime, and also humidity can cause mold. So we're going to take a look at the A10 Dehumidifier from Deye, and as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're looking at the Deye A10 Dehumidifier. This thing is just so awesome. Packaging on it looks great. Energy Star, efficient, approved. But let's go ahead and open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this quick start guide. And it's just going to show you how to get everything up and running, get the app set up, and get the most out of it very quickly. So make sure you read it. Next up, we have this user manual. And look at this thing. There's just so much information in here. You'll be able to get the absolute most out of your system, and it comes in multiple different languages. So A+. Part of the drainage system right here is included, so keep that in mind. It does come with part of the plumbing there to go ahead and drain it, so that's super awesome that they include this. And honestly, this is such a cool thing to get. This is a converter for a garden hose so that you can get extra extension on it. So if you're a professional, you can actually run this thing clear out of the building that you're working on. So wow, they include such a cool little thing. And the A10 itself, whoa, this thing is a little heavy, so you know it's got to be high quality. It feels so nice. Looks like we have some of the touch panel stuff on the top. We have a little LED screen on the front. On the back, we have what looks like our filter system here, as well as the water tank on the bottom, and some really cool wheels on the bottom there too. So nice. But let's go ahead and get it set up and try it out.
This is the Deye A10 Dehumidifier. Powerful 2,000 square foot coverage. It removes up to 36 pints a day at 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 90% room humidity, and 10.5 pints a day under the DOE conditions, which is 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 60% humidity. To help reduce damp air, musty odors, and excessive humidity, it's ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, laundry rooms, garages, and everyday home humidity control. Whisper quiet 33 decibel sleep mode with auto screen off. It's engineered for ultra quiet operation as low as 33 decibels in sleep mode, making it ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, living rooms, or offices. Its optimized airflow design and multi-point noise reduction help minimize vibration and operating sound, while automatic display off reduces nighttime light disturbance for a quieter and more comfortable sleeping environment. It comes with a smart app and voice control for connected convenience, so you can control and monitor your dehumidifier remotely through the Deye Home app on iOS and Android. It supports device sharing, OTA updates, and compatibility with Desert Card Alexa, Google Assistant, and Google Assistant for hands-free voice control and smarter everyday humidity management. And it's Energy Star certified efficiency. Energy Star is certified for energy efficient moisture removal with smarter everyday power usage. Intelligent humidity sensing automatically adjusts operation based on your targeted humidity level, helping reduce unnecessary energy consumption and lower electricity cost over time while maintaining consistent indoor comfort. Dual display design for easier humidity monitoring. It features both a top control panel and a front-facing display, allowing you to quickly check humidity levels, operating status, and full tank alerts without bending down. Intuitive humidity indicators clearly show low, medium, and high humidity conditions for easy at-a-glance monitoring. It's built for long-term reliability because it features an automatic internal drying cycle to help reduce residual moisture buildup inside the unit for more stable long-term performance. The auto defrost system helps prevent frost buildup in cooler environments, while the multi-protection compressor system supports dependable everyday operation and improved durability. Flexible drainage with the auto restart protection. It includes a 2.2 liter or 0.58 gallon water tank with auto shut off when full, plus a 6.56 feet drain hose for continuous drainage. A garden hose adapter is included for extended drainage setup, so it automatically restores previous settings after power outages, making it suitable for basements, crawl spaces, and RVs. And Deye is going to give you some professional support because it's backed by a 3-year full unit warranty and a 5-year compressor warranty for added peace of mind, along with professional customer support for reliable after-sales service. So I gotta say, this thing has everything covered. It's so modern, it's so powerful. Wow, Deye, great job.
This is our first time working with Deye, and this thing is just awesome. It's even got wheels on it so you can move it around. Plus the app is just like, it's so nice. So we want to give a huge shout out to Deye for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.